Zodiac signs. Top 4. Pisces. Ruled by Neptune, the planet of imagination and spirituality, Pisceans are natural-born romantics. Their compassionate nature, creativity, and deep emotional depth make them incredibly attentive and sensitive partners, capable of sweeping their loved ones off their feet with grand gestures of love. Top 3. Cancer. With their nurturing and empathetic qualities, Cancers prioritize emotional connection and security in their relationships. Their loyalty, intuition, and penchant for creating a cozy, loving atmosphere make them one of the most romantic signs of the zodiac, always ready to go the extra mile to express their love. Top 2. Leo. Known for their dramatic flair and generous heart, Leos approach love with a bold and confident attitude. Their warmth, charm, and magnetic personality draw others to them like moths to a flame. And once captivated, Leos spare no effort in showering their partners with affection and adoration. Before I reveal the top 1, please save this video before it disappears and comment your zodiac sign. In the top 1 position, ruled by Venus, the planet of love and beauty, they are true romantics at heart. Their love for harmony and balance extends to their relationships, where they strive to create a peaceful and harmonious union. With their charm, diplomacy, and appreciation for the finer things in life, Libras excel in the art of romance. They are definitely Libra. Top 4.